Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, and it's an exciting day here at Paul's Photo because we have a new Nikon lens, and that's the brand new Z 35mm 1.4. And of all of the recent Nikon lenses, I probably had more questions about this one lens than all the other lenses put together. So Nikon brings out a 35mm 1.4 that's less money than the 35 1.8. What's the deal? Well, we're going to look at the 35 1.4. We're going to do a box opening here. So everybody get your box opening glasses on, because here we go. So you've got in the box the warranty card and the instruction book for the lens. And it's opening. And inside the box, we have the lens shade for the 35mm 1.4. And I like the Nikon packaging because it's all cardboard, it's all recyclable. Look at that. Come on. It's a little stubborn, I'll tell you that. Come on, get out of there. And here it is. There's the new Z 35mm 1.4, and the first question everyone's going to do is going to ask me to compare the 35 1.4 to the 35 1.8. So we're going to open the 35 1.8 here. Now, this one has the case and the lens shade and all that. The box is just as finicky to get out. There's the 35 1.8 versus the 35 1.4. And you can see that they're very similar in size. They have the same lens cap, 62mm lens cap. You can see that the 1.4 has a little bit more glass than the 1.8 is. That's what we would expect. But what's the real difference between these lenses? Well, the 35 1.8 is an S-line lens. So it's the top glass. And I can tell you, gang, I have shot with all of the Nikon S-line lenses, and they are best in class at any lens I have ever shot that's an S-line. Now, the 35 1.4 is an awesome lens. And I like it because it's small. It's a 1.4. It's $599 price versus $849 price for the 35 1.8, and it's 14 ounces versus 13 ounces. So can I feel an ounce difference? No, it's about the same. So here's the Z8 with the 28 to 75. I'm going to put the 35 1.4 on there, and this is a nice small compact kit. You know, for $600, it's going to give you awesome pictures. It's going to be a fun lens for doing street photography, natural light photography, birthday parties, portraits, groups, stuff like that. And I think it would be a great choice for the Z8. But where I really think the 35 1.4 is going to live and be popular is here on the Nikon Zfc and on the APS-C cameras from Nikon. Because now 35 1.4 with the APS-C crop factor is going to be the equivalent of a 50mm 1.4. It's a small, lightweight outfit that's going to be great for travel, great for portraits, great for walking around. It's going to be amazing for still and for video, for vlogging, for all that kind of stuff that we're doing these days. And I know a lot of you have really sold the Zfc short. I love this camera. I love the controls, the same similar controls to the ZF in a smaller, more compact outfit. I love the look on it. Takes us back to the old days of the Nikon FM, FE cameras. And I think this outfit is going to be very popular for you all when you get out and want to go photograph with it. So, in my opinion, 35 1.4, amazing new Nikon lens. Compact, lightweight, small. $599 price point. It's an affordable lens that you're all going to love. Works great on the ZFC, the APS-C, the crop sensor Nikons. works equally well on the Z8 and the full frame Nikons. Come on in down to Paul's Photo. We'll give this lens a try. We'll help you with it. We'll let you take a look at it. But most importantly, we have it in stock today. You can take one home and start making amazing Nikon Z pictures. So to wrap up, my thoughts on the new Z 35mm 1.4 lens. It's an awesome opportunity for you to get a low light lens at a reasonable price. $599, 14 ounces. It's going to rock. It's going to fit equally well on the compact ZFC, the APS-C compact cameras, as it will on the full frame Nikon Z cameras. If you're looking for the ultimate picture quality, choose the S line. If you want a little bit of a better deal, a little bit smaller outfit with the 1.4, I would really recommend the 35mm 1.4 on your compact camera or on your full-size Nikon, because it's going to give you awesome Nikon Z pictures. And that's what we love today, is the power of Z with all these amazing lenses. And I'm so excited about the 35mm 1.4. Come on down to Paul's Photo today. We'll get you hooked up and you'll leave today making better pictures.